Back when we started, growing meat from animal cells was science fiction. We've grown from 2 people to 40 people under one roof. Every person on this team brings in world-class technical skills. But along with that, they bring a few more unique things that are fundamental for our mission and vision of our company. I can tell you with certainty that we have the mission and vision that will open up the world for the biggest leap humanity has ever taken.
Science is predicated fundamentally on not knowing things, exploring the unknown and defining what has not been defined. What we do at Memphis Meats is hire people that have embraced that vision, and together we're building the most delicious meat the world's ever seen.
The thing we're trying to do, it's complicated and it takes a lot of different kinds of brains all firing together to get to the right answers. It's not the kind of thing that one person can go hunker down in a lab and solve by themselves. It takes a mix of people with different backgrounds bringing their best to the table to get to that right solution for how we're going to do something brand new in the world.
So there's 3 things I see in people. Number 1 is heart-pounding enthusiasm to make a difference in this world. Number 2 is this deep inner resolve of I won't be beaten by anything. And number 3 is that incredible focus. When I see those 3 things, I know they should be on this team.
What I really love about our team is how collaborative everyone is. We aren't worried about which individual is being recognized for what. It's about our success as a team.
So I love animals above most other things in life. And my personal goal is to be involved in any way that I can to help alleviate suffering of animals. Ultimately, the mission is to create a better world where the planet is healthier, animals are happier, people are healthy and happy. So all around, this is a win.
Every single person here has a deep, resonant story for why they're here, why they believe in the mission, and they bring incredible experience to the game as well.
I think this is, for me and my skill set, the opportunity to make the greatest impact on the world. I truly think that generating the sustainable food source can have an impact more than any therapeutic can.
Working for a company that's actually making a difference and that's really creating the right experience for consumers, I don't think there's anywhere else I want to be.
It requires a certain type of person to come into an environment like this. It's unknown, it's indefinitely ambiguous, and whenever we have a challenge that we don't know about or a problem we can't figure out, we look to each other and the answer is going to be there.
I come to work every day and I'm excited not only to do the science I'm doing, but to do it with the people I'm doing it with. They're incredibly smart. I'm learning something every day from these people. And they're incredibly collaborative. People are willing to help each other out.
And that sort of community, I think, really helps foster the strong work ethic and motivation to kind of keep climbing this huge mountain that we're trying to climb.
But if you look at just our staff and research and development, process development, and operations and communications, we just have people that are some of the most mission-driven, intellectually curious, passionate, smart people that I've worked with. And that combination is rare and is really going to help us succeed.
We're a big tent organization, so we combine all different types of values to bring our team and our company forward. And this is necessary because it takes a diverse set of values, diverse beliefs, diverse lifestyles to make this happen.
Our leadership team has leveled up incredibly since I've been here, and I'm so proud of the group that we've brought together. The person leading our reg used to be a top regulator at the FDA. The person leading our upstream R&D used to do exactly that for $100 million businesses at Merck. The person leading our scale-up did exactly that for massive businesses at Genentech. We've brought together the most amazing talent, and as every person comes to meet us, they really look under the covers, and each one has decided that we're the team to join and to bet on.
Every single person that joins Memphis Meats joins with the same level of passion and commitment that Nick and I had when we started the company. And it's an incredible honor to lead a team that is so passionate, that is so talented, and that is so bound by a purpose that is common to all of us.